Um, and this course is what is called platform agnostic. So that means that it's not going to be geared only towards a specific set of coding principles, set of languages, set of design principles. It's going to be more universal. So that's why we go from the ground up with Photoshop, designing elements on Photoshop, banners, graphic interfaces, so that you get an idea of what you want. And then we move to Dreamweaver, which helps you tweak a little bit of the code, and it helps you more or less create a working model of your site. Just taking those two classes, you can probably do a lot of things. You can probably already have your own website running and your own marketing thing going. The other section that we teach, which is HTML and CSS, is the part that I teach. And in HTML and CSS, what I teach is not only for you to modify your own website, but for you to understand how to modify other people's websites. So if they have, I don't know, Joomla, which is a different platform, or if they have WordPress, or if they're using Blogspot as their website, or if they're using any other platform, you know the basics of how to make a font bigger or smaller, how to change the color, how to change the background. You have the basic understanding, and that way you can implement it not only on your site, but also on other people's websites as well. In my particular section is HTML and CSS. So I just want to show you a little bit of what HTML and CSS is, to show you that it's really not that scary, and it's significantly easier than what a lot of people think. Many people tend to be discouraged by the word code, HTML code, and they tend to be afraid because they think it's going to be something super complicated. But the way I like to say it is like any other spoken language. Once you understand the basic principles behind the language, it's very easy to change, to adapt, and to learn new words, learn new concepts. But you need to know the basics, okay, of the website. Here's what happens. When you access a website, what you're doing is you're talking to another computer. You're talking to a server, and you're saying to that server, hey, please send me this specific file. So what happens, like when you talk to a coworker and ask them, hey, can you send me the flyer of this program that we have going on? When you talk to your friend or a coworker, they're going to send you that file, maybe in an email or maybe via snail mail, whatever. That process, when you get it, you get a copy. You don't get the original file. The original file is stored in your friend's file cabinet, okay? You're getting a copy of that.
So how do you get into the original?
You need to go to your friend and then modify there in that file. So you need to log into the server.
You have to, okay.
Exactly. So, but when you save it on your desktop, when you save, basically what you have is a saved version of the website on your computer. Every time that you access a page, you store that page within your computer, within your browser.